Hi Moby family, Claude here, and I'm really excited about the Moby Nomad Liberty behind me. Now the Liberty is our flagship wheelchair accessible caravan, and as that tells you that we've got a 720mm wide door, we've got an automatic lift that works on a remote control, capable of lifting about 125 kilograms. Now inside our Moby you've got the ability to ride around with your wheelchair. When it comes to the bathroom, it's absolutely phenomenal, the size of it. This van comes with a chemical toilet, but you've got an option of 4 more toilets, composting, and also an Ecolet or a dry flush toilet. Now, in order to make it usable for all kinds of disabilities, you have the ability to put the toilet where you want to rearrange the inside of the bathroom to suit your needs. And for that, we have got a lot of flexibility. Inside the van as well, you've got the option to change the bed orientation, and you can do that in north-south or east-west. When it comes to cooling down the van, we've got reverse cycle aircon, or we can put a rooftop aircon on, as well as we've got the ability to include a diesel heater. Outside the van, you've got the ability to cook with gas, with electric, with an induction plate, an induction stove. All of that is options. And then also you have the ability to upgrade the ATM of the van from 2400, 2200 or 2700, depending on the options that you put on. So the van behind me belongs to Chris and Wendy Sparks, and I'll run quickly through the options that they've decided to put on. They've got the standard lift, the standard chemical toilet, and the standard orientation of the bed. They also got reverse cycle split unit aircon. They opted for the maximum payload. They've got a 2700 ATM. And outside they've also included a Weber with a Weber bracket and also a generator box. Now when it comes to the slide out, they decided to electrify the slide out, so it's also working on the remote. A very nice feature. Storage wise, they've put on aluminium boxes at the back so that they can, all those dirty stuff can stay outside of the van. They've also installed a safety day so that they can look how they leave civilization behind. When it comes to entertainment, brilliant idea having a Starlink that's got the conversion to run off 12 volt. And then also a 12-volt television, which then helps you to save those batteries and not run everything through the inverter. As we've got a fair amount of electric capability in the van, we also need to make sure that we can supply that electrics. And Chris and them have decided to go for middle of the range with a 2000-watt inverter. But they've made a great decision to upgrade the Red Arc Manager to a 75 amp manager, and also increase the solar capacity to the maximum we can supply, which is 1000 watts on the roof. Now this will ensure that they will rarely run out of battery capacity, but in those cases that it might happen, their backup is a generator. Covering the kitchen, they've decided to electrify the awning. A very nice choice, which means no hassle. In upgrading the ATM to 2.7 ton, they've also opted to go for rims and tires that will fit their Ranger, so that it is interchangeable, so they don't have to carry so many spare wheels. Chris and Wendy decided to go for the Quattro mover. Brilliant choice. It makes it so much easier to get into that tight spots and to make sure that you can hitch and unhitch without any hassles. Well, Moby family, there you have it, our newest member of our Moby Nomad family, the Moby Nomad Liberty. If you have any questions, please contact us. Enjoy.